How to log in on Reddit. Are you guys facing issues to log in your account on Reddit application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Reddit on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download Reddit on your mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. After you open up the app, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Tap on it. Now click on sign up/login. Click on login button. After you click on login button, you can see the option for email or username. Write down your username or email. Now write down your password. After you fill up the details, just simply hit the continue button. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna log in our account on Reddit. If you guys have any issues regarding Reddit app, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.